Well, to become a top trader on Ayondo, you basically have to know how to do your trading, and you have to be, you have to provide, or you have to deliver performance, trading performance, on whatever your strategy is. So basically, anyone who's experienced could become a top trader and signal provider, and as soon as top traders are successful, then people watch you and follow your performance and your strategies, and if they trust you deliver the same performance ongoing, then they can follow you.
Are there any examples of traders who successfully multiplied the money of followers in the past?
Yeah, no, definitely. I mean, we see a lot of former bankers and former traders from institutions who are retired or who just stopped working in the industry, and they do their own trading anyway. So it's like having an additional income, creating an additional income with your trading that they do anyway.
How do you find a top trader on Ayondo? And what is a right trader?
Well, first of all, I think it's important to say that Ayondo, because the question is a good question, how do you find the right top trader? So what we've done is we've created a trading career which has 5 different levels, so that investors can see whether this trader is new to the platform or new to Ayondo. Then the traders are labeled as a street trader, or whether it's an experienced trader and is with Ayondo for a year, for example. Then it's an institutional trader, and you can see, depending on the level, whether traders have proven to be successful or stick to the rules for a minimum amount of performance or maximum drawdown. So we have created this career to help people to find the best trader. Plus, on the platform, when you select trader profiles, you can see what exactly they are trading, which underlyings are they trading. And it's always good to know my trader is trading FX, and I'm familiar with currencies, and I can judge whether his strategies make sense. So it's a bit like stock picking, it's trader picking.
How many successful lead traders do you have currently, and do the majority of your investors just follow a handful of those sort of gurus?
We have over 1,000 traders who are visible in our career. So as soon as you stop trading, you drop out of the career. Therefore, there's a whole universe of traders, but around thousands are visible. And of course, the majority is like on the lower level because they're just starting to climb up the career. And the higher the level, the fewer traders are there. That's a natural thing. But definitely people focus on the top 3 levels because they feel safe, and this is why we introduced the career for.
What if in future many investors start following a particular user? Isn't there a risk of all this liquidity impacting the general direction of a market?
The underlying assets we offer for social trading are definitely the very liquid markets, meaning indices, FX. So we don't offer tiny stocks where we would face the risk of front running or anything. So it's purely for very liquid markets where it does not really matter whether traders follow one specific trader, because markets are big, especially FX markets and indices.
How strongly correlated is past performance of the best traders on Ayondo to their future performance? And can you give any specific examples?
Well, we can only, of course, display past performance. There's no chance that we could give any estimations, or that would not be reasonable. So in the end, you don't really know what's happening next with the trader. You can just monitor every single trade he has done in the past, and you can see whether for a long period of time he was able to deliver sustainable results, and therefore it's easier to trust someone if you can monitor what he's doing, and then you just have to rely on that he keeps with this trading pattern in the future. But you never know in the end.
Interesting, you keep saying he. Are there any women?
That's a good point. No, I mean we have definitely female top traders, but as in financial markets, unfortunately, it's mostly male traders. That's how it is.
Yeah.
Male traders and male clients, so therefore.
Yeah. Are there any specific examples you can give about that?
No specific examples. I mean, there are always traders. That happens. That traders have, like, in very volatile markets, they make wrong decisions and then they lose their career level. And this is why we've introduced the career to make it visible that traders are have changed their risk profile maybe, or they have not been successful, and then they change into a different career level, and so people notice. Yeah. So.